Hello, ID is EN1287. The concept of my project is integrated wave and wind energy power generation. As we know that wind and wave are freely available energy sources and are yet to be harnessed for the production of electricity. But the three main hindrances to this type of power systems are the infrastructure requirements, the output power efficiency, and the availability of wind and wave. So I have come up with a design trying to solve the above problems. It consists of a pylon which is to be placed fixed inside the ocean. The wind energy is captured by the vertical assembly and the wave energy is captured by the horizontal assembly. Starting with the wave energy, it consists of a series of spherical floats and a generator turbine unit for every float. The float and its unit are connected by a beam. Whenever waves arrive, the float raises up, eventually rotating the turbine and producing electricity. Now, the innovation done here is that since the floats are spherical, we are able to capture waves coming from all directions. This is an important aspect because waves tend to change their direction depending upon the wind direction. But the main innovation in this model is the generator turbine unit. In a traditional turbine, the higher the wave displacement, the larger is the wave output. This leads to inconsistency at the voltage level. So, this design works on the principle that every inconsistency is a short harmonic of a very large consistency. And so, instead of directly driving the turbine, the float, when it raises up, it first pressurizes oil in a pressure tank, and this pressurized oil will then drive the turbine at a steady uniform rate, giving a steady output level. The practical advantage of this design is that we are able to capture wave energy from all directions of wave, from shorter waves and as well as random waves. Starting with the wind energy, the vertical assembly is very simple and it consists of a wind turbine powered by the motion of fan blades. In a traditional design, the blades need to be longer and need a higher wind speed for a sufficient level of power output. So I have decided to use a wind turbine which is smaller in size and is capable of giving output even at lower wind speeds. This largely reduces the infrastructure requirements and gives us the flexibility to use the wind turbines at small scale and even at local scales. Also, the principle of inconsistency of hypothesis